If you are paying for Claude Pro or Max, and I mean paying real money every month, and it just randomly stopped working on you, you're not alone. Tons of people right now are hitting this exact same wall. Your requests are probably failing, you're getting weird errors, or the model just silently switches on you without any explanation. And yes, this does happen. Stick around to see why and also how to fix it. Anyways, I spent most of yesterday fighting this myself, and I finally cracked it. This fix is surprisingly simple too, but nobody is talking about it. So let's go ahead and fix your Claude subscription right now so you can use it with your openclaw agents. So here's what's going on. If you're using Claude through a third-party tool like openclaw, like so many of us are right now, which is definitely what I use, there's a setting called 1 million token context window. It sounds awesome, right? More context, more memory, better responses. The problem though, Anthropic's subscription tiers, Claude Pro and Max, they don't fully support this extended context flag yet. So when you have it enabled and you send a request, Anthropic servers kind of reject it or they rate limit you hard. And here's kind of the sneaky part. OpenClaw doesn't always tell you that clearly. It just kind of puts you in a cooldown mode, sometimes for an hour, sometimes even longer. Meanwhile, you're sitting there thinking your account is broken, or maybe the service is down, or you did something wrong. You didn't. It's one configuration flag, one that sits in the documents too and has confused so many people. So let's go ahead and fix this. I'll show you. It's really simple. That way you can start using your Claude subscription again with your OpenClaw agents. So first thing I want you to do is run the openclaw doctor command. This is kind of like a health check for your setup. You just open up your terminal and you type openclaw doctor. Nice and simple. Hit enter and then just look at the output. The thing you're looking for is kind of right at the top if you're on a cooldown. Auth profile cooldown. Now I don't have it here because I already fixed this issue, but this is what it would look like if you have this issue. And I've seen this posted dozens of times across Twitter and Reddit and everywhere else. So I know tons of you are having it. And what it means is you're locked out and it will keep happening every time you send a request until you fix the root cause. So if you don't see a cooldown message, you might still have the bad config file that will trigger it on your next heavy request. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fix it either way. Now let's go ahead and find that configuration file. Where it lives, I'll go ahead and put the address across the screen as well as in the description. And in order to find it, you might have to hit Command-Shift-Period on your Mac because it's one of those hidden files that you can't always see. So you could open it in any text editor. I'm going to go ahead and use Google Anti-Gravity. And the reason why, this might be a little overkill, but I like it for many reasons because it'll tell you if you're doing something wrong and it'll also help you fix it. Plus it's so much easier to edit here than it is with the terminal editor, which is just kind of a nightmare, especially if you're not used to that. So you're going to open up a folder and you're going to find your openclaw folder. If you need help doing this, just let me know down in the comments and I can help run you through, or I can do a separate video on this altogether. Anyways, I've got mine open here. So I copied this over from another setup so I don't mess up anything. But here is what your openclaw.json file will look like. It'll show what models you have set up, the fallbacks and everything that you have for all of your models. And here is where the problem lies. Right here, context 1M true for every single Anthropic model that you might have. All you need to do is go ahead, double click on this, type in false. Do this for all three of these, or however many Anthropic models you may have set up. Now, like I said, one of the reasons why I like using anti-gravity is because if you make a mistake, it'll flag it and you'll get an error, and you could even ask it how to fix it, explain and fix, and it'll go ahead and show you over here in the right hand sidebar how to fix it and what is wrong. So that's why I love using anti-gravity so much better than using the terminal, because you can mess something up big time and not have any idea how to fix it. Same thing with messing with commas or stuff like that. You accidentally delete a comma, you're gonna mess up the entire file and structure. Anti-gravity will tell you what's going on, why it's wrong, and also how to fix it. So I highly suggest using a tool like anti-gravity, even though it might be a little overkill for editing your files. Now, the important thing here is, in order to save this, you need to go ahead and exit out of anti-gravity and then hit save. So it will save this configuration file. Now, go back to your terminal and you have to restart the gateway. Another super simple command. Just type in openclaw gateway restart. Hit enter, let it do its thing. This is just going to pull in the changes that you made and make sure that it is now what is running your system. Give it a few seconds to come back up. Then you're going to go ahead and run openclaw doctor again. Same thing, same simple command that we ran earlier. Now, if you had that cooldown before, it might still be there. All you need to do is you just need to wait it out. That's a timer from a previous fail request. So just go ahead, wait till the cooldown is done. Once it clears, it will not come back as long as that context 1M is disabled in the configuration file. Now, one more thing that I want to show you, because this tripped me up really bad. When Anthropic goes into cooldown, openclaw doesn't just crash, it silently falls back to your secondary models. For me, as you can see here in this file again, that's GLM 4.7 followed by a couple different Google models and then Claude models. So I thought I was running on Claude when I was actually on Gemini the whole time. So you may set your models using /model and even check it with /status, but another model may be responding or handling the task, all because of the way that fallback models work. And you're often never aware of this. So that's why it's important that you set up your fallback models in a way that you're not going to get dinged with massive API charges if your primary model fails. And you also want to verify which model is being used. And just checking status or model in Telegram or Discord, whatever you're using, isn't a foolproof system. Your agent will lie to you sometimes. Anyways, if your Claude subscription stopped working in openclaw like mine did and so many others, the fix is almost certainly the 1 million context flag. Find context 1M true in your openclaw.json file. Remove it or set it to false. I just set it to false because it's a lot easier and you don't want to mess things up. Then again, go ahead, restart the gateway and you're back. Anthropic is clearly still working on fully rolling this feature out to Pro and Max subscribers. So until then, just leave it off. And if this helped you, please go ahead and drop a comment below and let me know if you're running into other openclaw issues that I may have not covered. Tell me, because clearly I'm already deep in the trenches on this stuff. Also, go ahead and check out this video for some tips that will save you hours, if not days, on setting up your agents.